Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to make yard work a lot easier, the Cordless Leaf Blower 2025. We found this product online and have included a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. The Leaf Blower Cordless 2025 is designed to handle a variety of outdoor cleaning tasks with ease. With a powerful motor and advanced axial fan technology, this electric leaf blower delivers an impressive blowing speed of up to 160 miles per hour and a maximum airflow of 580 cfm. This means you can clear leaves, dust, and even light snow from your yard or garage quickly and efficiently. One of the standout features of this blower is its dual 4.0 lithium batteries. These batteries provide up to 120 minutes of runtime in low-speed mode, making it perfect for smaller jobs or extended use during larger cleanup tasks. In high-speed mode, you still get a solid 30 minutes of operation, which is great for those tougher jobs. The built-in battery indicator lets you monitor your power levels easily, so you're never caught off guard when the battery runs low. Additionally, the blower has a built-in protection system that automatically shuts off the motor and battery when needed, extending their lifespan and ensuring safe operation. Another great feature of the Cordless Leaf Blower 2025 is its adjustable speed settings. With 3 different speed levels, you can customize the airflow intensity based on the task at hand. The low-speed mode is ideal for light cleanup, such as removing dust or small debris, while the medium and high-speed modes are perfect for tackling heavier, stubborn materials. The extension tube design adds further flexibility, ensuring you can reach those hard-to-access spots in your yard without much hassle. Weighing in at just 4.3 pounds, this leaf blower is lightweight and easy to operate with one hand. Its ergonomic, non-slip handle is designed for comfort, allowing you to use it without experiencing fatigue, even during longer sessions. Plus, the included adjustable shoulder strap helps distribute weight evenly, reducing strain on your hands and arms. The cordless design means you won't have to worry about getting tangled up in cords or finding an outlet, giving you the freedom to move around your yard or garage with ease. This leaf blower is suitable for homeowners and gardeners who want a reliable and efficient tool for maintaining their outdoor spaces. Whether you're dealing with fallen leaves in the fall, cleaning up grass clippings after mowing, or even blowing light snowfall off your walkways, this blower covers all the bases. It's also a great choice for anyone looking to minimize physical strain while tackling outdoor chores, thanks to its lightweight design and ease of use. In practical terms, this blower can be used in a variety of settings. You can use it to clear leaves from your garden, blow away debris from your driveway, or even tidy up your garage. It's also handy for clearing dust from outdoor furniture or patios, making it a versatile addition to your home maintenance toolkit. Assembling the blower is straightforward, just insert the battery, connect the blower tube, and you're ready to go. A quick instruction manual is included, ensuring you can get started in no time. And for added comfort, the product even comes with complimentary noise-canceling earplugs, which is a nice touch if you're sensitive to loud sounds during operation. In conclusion, the Cordless Leaf Blower 2025 is an efficient, powerful, and user-friendly tool that makes outdoor cleaning tasks less daunting. With its adjustable speeds, long battery life, and lightweight design, it stands out as a must-have for any homeowner looking to improve their yard care routine. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.